Emily from the Wellington County Museum and Archives with our Halloween Museum on Your Doorstep craft kit. So grab your kit and let's get started. So in your craft kit that you received from the museum, you'll find all of the items that you'll need to make your beaded pumpkin craft. In that craft kit, you will find one green or brown pipe cleaner. You'll also find 4 long orange pipe cleaners. And then you'll find a selection of beads too. Bring these out, spread them out on your work surface, and we'll get started on the first step. So the first step that you're going to do is you're going to take those 4 long pipe cleaners and line them all up together just like this until they're about even on each end. And then right in the middle, right about here, we're going to twist all of these orange pipe cleaners together. Just like this, nice and tight so they're all tied together. And then once you have them twisted all together, we're going to spread out each of the end into a circle shape. So very carefully, what you can do is you can take each end, kind of spread it out just like so, till you get kind of a circle shape there, kind of like this. Okay. So we have our circle shape here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put all of the beads on all of the ends of the pipe cleaners. With the beads, you're going to put them up to about 3/4 of the pipe cleaner. So you're going to leave a little bit at the end here. This is so that we can tie it together afterwards. So when you're putting those beads on, just go about 3/4 down the pipe cleaner, leaving a little bit at the end to tie it together. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm making a rainbow pumpkin today. So I'm going to put all of the beads onto my pipe cleaners. So you've put all of your beads onto your pipe cleaners. Now comes a little bit of a tricky part, so if you need extra help or an extra hand, please feel free to grab a parent or someone around you to give you a helping hand with this part. Because what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully bring up each of the ends of the pipe cleaners into the middle. Now we want to try as carefully as we can so we don't lose any of the beads, but if you do lose some beads, that's totally fine. You can just pop those back onto the pipe cleaner. So I'm going to start with this pipe cleaner here. I'm going to bring it up into the middle just like this, and then I'm going to go around and bring up each of the pipe cleaners and just pinch them together. Just like so. And now up at the top here, we're going to twist all of the ends together, just like what we did in the middle at the start. So we're going to twist together, make sure it's nice and tight so it all stays together for us, just like this. So it should look a little bit like this. Now don't despair. What we're going to do is we're going to start bending the pipe cleaners to make the shape of the pumpkin that we want. So I'm going to push down at the bottom here, and I'm going to bend and move these pipe cleaners just like so to get the pumpkin shape that I want it to have. Again, kind of stretch them out, spread them out, push it down so it has a nice flat bottom so it can sit up for you. And you can also sort of adjust the beads as you go. Here we are. Okay. Once you have the shape that you want for your pumpkin, we're going to take that green or the brown pipe cleaner that was in your kit, and we're going to add a little stem and a vine at the top here. So we're going to take this pipe cleaner, we're going to twist it around the top, covering it in the green. And then finally, this end part here, you can wrap it around your finger to make a curly vine. And there we have your beaded pumpkin. And voila! our very own beaded pumpkin. Thank you so much for joining us for our Halloween Museum on Your Doorstep. Make sure to check out our website for more stuff that's upcoming at www.wellington.ca/museum, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks!